If you're planning a pregnancy, you must have definitely heard about the FSH test, LH, ovulation test, and pregnancy test. But there is often confusion, right? What's the difference between these three tests and when should each one be done? Let's understand this in a very simple way. First, understand one important thing. FSH, LH, and hCG are three different hormones and their tests also answer different questions. FSH is related to reproductive hormone function. The LH test detects the LH surge that occurs before ovulation, and the pregnancy test detects the hCG hormone. But this doesn't mean that every woman planning a pregnancy must first do an FSH, then an LH, and then a pregnancy test. This is not a compulsory testing sequence. Which test is useful depends on what you want to know. First, FSH. The full form of FSH is follicle-stimulating hormone. This hormone plays an important role in the menstrual cycle and the development of ovarian follicles. FSH testing can be useful in different situations in the context of reproductive hormone assessment, ovarian function, or menopause-related evaluation. But remember, the FSH test alone doesn't determine whether a woman can get pregnant or not. Now coming to LH, if your goal is to identify the fertile window and understand when ovulation is near, then the LH ovulation test is more relevant. There is a sudden surge in the LH hormone just before ovulation, which is known as the LH surge. Urine ovulation tests are designed to detect this specific LH surge. A positive LH test means that an LH surge has been detected and ovulation could be near. However, there is a very common misunderstanding here. A positive LH test does not mean pregnancy, and a positive LH result alone does not confirm that ovulation has definitely occurred. It primarily indicates that an LH surge has been detected. Now suppose ovulation occurred after the LH surge. If fertilization and after that, when the developing embryo implants in the uterus, the pregnancy-associated hCG hormone starts to be produced, and this is the hormone that a pregnancy test detects. Therefore, taking a pregnancy test the very next day after a positive LH test would usually be too early. For a pregnancy test to be meaningful, there needs to be sufficient hCG in the urine. Testing too early can result in a negative result even if you are pregnant. Usually, testing around or after the expected period date is more useful compared to early testing. Always follow the instructions on your pregnancy test, so remember it in a very simple way. If you want to identify your fertile window and approaching ovulation, use an LH ovulation test. If the question is related to FSH or reproductive hormone assessment, then depending on the situation, FSH testing might be relevant. And if you want to know whether pregnancy has occurred or not, an hCG pregnancy test is used, and if your question is, am I fertile? Then remember that no single home test among FSH, LH or pregnancy tests can give you the complete answer to that. Fertility depends on many different factors. To understand FSH, LH, ovulation, and pregnancy testing in detail, read our complete guide on the Microsidd Knowledge Hub. Visit microsidd.com. This information is for educational purposes only. If your periods are irregular, you have concerns about fertility, or you are unable to understand the test result, then consult a qualified healthcare professional.